it's time for my monthly State of BMF update. So, anywho, it's March, which is kind of a bit mind-blowing because it was on March 15th last year that we closed our doors to 600 DeGraw. And at the time, we had no idea, but of course, that was forever. So, not to return to that location, and it's coming up on a year since we opened up this online community, and we really had no idea that we would be as thriving as we were. Of course, we had faith, amazing teachers, all of our games, BMF Connect. We kind of had laid this groundwork for it for years, and then there we were, faced with this online world. So, anyways, for those of you that don't know, we now serve like 430 students online every single week, which is amazing. We have live big music games going online. We have tons of super songwriter classes going. It's just turned into sort of a really beautiful opportunity of discovery of how to serve families. So 3 things looking forward, though. Here we are coming up on a year anniversary of being online. But of course, we're all beginning to see a light at the end of the tunnel. I have a heart condition, which allowed me to get my vaccine shot just Saturday. So I've got 1 shot in the arm. I got another one coming in 4 weeks. We have a bunch of people. I have a lot of friends that are in the high risk category, and they're getting vaccines. And eventually, we will all have that opportunity. And we're starting to see that light. So here's 3 things to keep in mind. What we're really looking forward to. Number 1, and probably most exciting because it's right around the corner, is we have a spring break virtual camp coming. It is a super songwriter program. It's just a couple hours a day. It opens up for you parents your morning. It gives the kids an opportunity to write, to connect with a bunch of other musicians, and to write an original song or 2 or even 3 over the course of that week. So stay tuned for that. You're going to see a ton of that coming out next week, and there's not that many spots. I think there's like 20 spots total. I'm sure they'll all be gone in a few days, so you be sure to grab one of them if it's going to be of benefit to you. Secondly, we are inching ever so closer. Yes, you heard me right. To a new home. And for those of you that have ever negotiated a commercial lease, an extensive long-term commercial lease, you know that nothing happens overnight, especially in a pandemic. Oh, wait a minute. None of us have ever negotiated a long-term lease in a pandemic, myself included. But we are inching ever so closer, and we are beginning to see the light there. And just know that when we open our doors to our new space, sometime this year, hopefully sooner than later, we'll just have to wait and see, it's going to be totally badass. The third and final thing to keep in mind, and you've seen a bunch of sort of chatter about this with your teachers and just, via email and things, is BMF TV, that which we launched last March 15th, a ton of content, free games, free songwriting exercises, all kinds of things, instrument workouts, all of these things that are available to you as part of the community, and then a whole bunch of free content to just serve families anywhere around the world that need an uplifting musical game, BMF style-y. BMF TV is just growing rapidly right now. There is so much more content there for you, so many more games for you to play. So I strongly recommend you dig in and take advantage, because our teachers are creating really, really super fun music games to play, exercises to do on your instrument, songwriting exercises, family jam challenges, all kinds of things. So BMF TV, check it out.
C2E. Here we go.
Round 2, a little more challenging. You just gotta find 2 notes. Why is that? Well, we go 1, 2, 1, 2.
All right, we're gonna keep on moving. Round 3.
Round 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
We're gonna
to talk about the hook: recording, producing, releasing, and distribution. And as you put one puzzle piece down, it kind of informs where the next one is going to go.
You're gonna have to buy more than just the instrument that your child wants to study, because this is one of the keys that we've found to success, is that you're creating a play space. And that play space is gonna include the instrument that your child's studying, plus some other toys that they wanna experiment with. That's my State of BMF update for the month of March. I will be back in a month to let you know about things like the new space, about things like summer camp, about things like, I don't know, all sorts of awesome online offerings we're going to be having, because our online school is going to continue to grow even after we open our BK new community space. So there it is. I hope you're all well. Be well. Stay healthy. Can't wait to make music with you.